want to get into digital marketing, absolutely. You have to spend a lot of time, maybe 3 months, 4 months, 6 months to understand everything and invest effort to get into that, lay the foundation correct, and then move on, right?
Right.
And then there are tools to upgrade.
Very important for even recruiters
Definitely,
to
yes.
understand this perspective, right? And just not hire somebody who has 2 years of digital marketing experience in XYZ field of digital marketing and think that they know it all. I
Right.
mean, they would have good experience,
Mhm.
but it may not be enough. And the
Absolutely.
keyword over there being enough,
Mhm.
right? So when you get a formal education, be it through online courses or offline courses, what happens is everything that you build from there on is, like you mentioned earlier, on a strong foundation and is based on certain things which you know have happened in the past. For
Right.
example, like SEO, you know how Google algorithms change, right? Personal profile. I want to make a beautiful cover photo. I have so many ideas. Where do I go? Canva.
Exactly.
Right? But what happens in this entire process is that I understand the functionalities of these tools, which when I get my formal education and people start talking about these tools,
Correct.
I know exactly what to do with them.
Number 9, learn how to work with Excel.
Oh, yes.
It's very basic, but it's important because when you start to do marketing or digital marketing, you definitely need to know how Excel works so that you can play with some numbers. AdWords, everything comes with basics of Excel. You can find it in YouTube, Linda. Communication. The next point is communication, right? It doesn't matter where you go, whether digital marketing or any marketing on anything. Communication is the key. Invest your time in enhancing your communications.
Very recently, Suresh, even you attended one of these seminars, which was the Heroic Public Speaking,
Correct.
right? And that is something what we are trying to suggest, that enhance your personal skills.
Right.
Your communication skill is a person. Enhance that. It could be utilized across different areas of digital marketing.
Definitely.
So content being just one small bit of it.
Correct. Understand SlideShare. Just go and see. It's like a YouTube for PowerPoint presentation.
Projects which I submitted in school, right?
Mm-hmm.
The best place to probably host them is a SlideShare. And if I host my own personal things, I will again get a hang of the platform.
Correct. Learn how to do some basic editings, be it video, audio, images.
I
Right?
so agree. Simple. Enhance your personal skills with all these suggestions so that you can become a better digital marketer when you get a formal education.
Absolutely. Learn some basic Google search. Basics of Google search.
When you get your formal education, you will understand why this point was so important as to why.
The next point is, if at all you want to do some certification or anything, Google AdWords is there. That is little bit advanced. Don't go for it. I would not suggest unless you are familiar. But Facebook has got Blueprint. Hootsuite University you had in the list. So go for those kinds of courses if you want to. It's free.
Correct. HubSpot's inbound
Marketing
course,
University.
right? Yeah.
Yes.
So that's a good
Inbound marketing
certification.
certification. Yes.
Right. That's a good certification to have even for individuals who are just stepping into the digital
Yeah,
marketing.
that is also a little bit advanced, I would say. These are some of the takeaways for
people who are stepping into digital marketing.
Okay.